Hello, I'm Angelica and today I'm going to show you how to prepare cold brew at home because it's quite simple. We are going to need only two ingredients: fresh coffee beans and room temperature water. It's very important that your coffee be grinded coarse. If you don't have a grinder at home, go to the favorite or nearest coffee shop and ask them to please grind this for you in coarse size. When you have your coffee ready, you add it in any container. We are going to use a French press container to prepare our cold brew. You add all your coffee, your grinded coffee. You try to create an homogeneous bed. You add your water at room temperature. And then you put the plunger, but don't make any pressure. In this case, the plunger is just making the function of a lid, okay? And now we need to put this in the fridge for 10 hours or overnight. After 10 hours, the cold brew is ready to enjoy. Simply to filter the coffee, press the plunger, add it to the glass with ice, and to add some creaminess, choose your favorite milk. And in this case, to give a punch of flavor, I'm going to add a few drops of my homemade vanilla extract. Now it's time to enjoy. Bye.